Welcome in, guys. We are back again with another video, putting together a recipe for a smoky tri-tip. I'm using my own blend of seasonings to make my rub, and as always, you can find the ingredients down in the description box. Now, initially when I started this recipe, I had intended for my tri-tip to marinate for 24 hours, but I ended up letting it go for a full 48 hours. I have my liquid smoke here, since I'm not using an outdoor grill. A little bit of black pepper. And now I'm going to go ahead and put together my chimichurri sauce using cilantro and flat leaf parsley. I'm using only the leaves. I have 3 garlic cloves because they're a pretty good size. And I'm going to just mix all of my ingredients in my blender. I have my red wine vinegar, some olive oil, adding in my garlic there, and a touch of salt. And for a little bit of a kick, I'm going to add a dried red chili pepper. Look how that turned out. You can use this sauce as a marinade or while cooking your roast. So here you see me preparing to go ahead and put it away in the fridge. And again, as I mentioned, I attempted or started out with 1 day in mind, but it remained in the fridge for a full 2 days. So we are back now and getting ready to prepare our tri-tip. Before I placed it in my pan, I did let it sit out to come to room temperature. And I'm searing it on both sides before placing it in the oven. Alrighty guys, this is what we have. Well done, yet moist and tender, and full of flavor. That 48 hours was not a bad idea. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one, Yah willing. Thanks for hanging out, and shalom.